Namaste everyone, I am Shivam Sharma, professional yoga teacher, and I am going to start my 7 days advanced yoga workshop on 15th July. In this workshop, I am going to teach you many asanas that may be basic to advanced. If you wanted to improve your flexibility and wanted to learn some asanas like forward bending posture, hip opening posture, spine twisting, back bending, leg stretching, and arm strength, and so on. So these asanas can be learned by you if your age is 30 plus, 40 plus, and 50 plus. Many people don't know they can do at any age, but because of their flexibility, they found themselves that they cannot do. But with the help of my techniques, with the help of anatomy learning, I can help you to improve your flexibility. If you improve your flexibility, then you can do your asana properly. So in this workshop, you will be learning all the asanas properly with the anatomy. I can mention some asanas here like middle split, side split, standing split, and Ekapadaskandaasana, Dvipadaskandaasana, Yogi Dandasana, and also your back bending yoga posture like Chakrasana, Poon Chakrasana, Natarajasana, Ekapadarajkapotasana, Vrishikasana, and many asanas. Also your arm balancing asanas that everybody wanted to learn like headstand, handstand, Bakasana, Kagasana, and many asanas. So all the asanas can be learned by at any age or any practitioner like beginner or intermediate or advanced level practitioner with proper steps and techniques. I'm going to help you to learn it. So if you wanted to join this workshop, you can join by some steps. I mentioned all the details in the screen, also in the description box. The timing of this workshop will be Indian time zone, like 4 to 5:30 p.m. You can convert this time zone according to your country time zone. And also, these classes will be on only weekends, means Saturday, Sunday only you have to join. And 3 weekends or one extra weekend will be the class. 7 days already mentioned here, date-wise, and also the time. So if you wanted to enroll in this workshop, there are lots of process already mentioned. You can pay through different payment mode. Also, if you wanted to enroll from internationally, PayPal is there so that you can pay through my PayPal ID. And I hope you will be learning many things if you join this workshop. So be excited to join my workshop. Thank you so much. Namaste.